Good day, kids! Welcome to another day of fun and learning. I am Teacher Michael, your digital teacher in English 2. Let us start our lesson for today by recalling the vowels and the consonants of the English alphabet. These are the vowel letters, while these are the consonant letters. We will be needing our knowledge in vowels and consonant in our lesson for today. Our lesson for today, kids, is about the articles a and an. Articles are used before nouns. There are actually three articles: the, a, and an. But today, we will only be focusing on the articles a and an. A means one. Like for example, a boy means one boy. A big dog means one big dog. An aeroplane means one aeroplane. An old man means one old man. Again, a or an means one. Now, the question is, when do we use a or an in a phrase or in a sentence? A is used when the word next to it starts with a consonant. Like for example, B, C, D, M, N. While an is used when the word next to it starts with vowel letters. Like for example, A, E, I, O, U. Like for example, we use a in the following words: cat, girl, and toy. If we add the article a, it will become a cat, a girl, a toy. We use a because the letters next to it are consonant letters. On the other hand, an is used when the word next to it starts with a vowel letter. Like for example, we use an in the following words: apple, elephant, umbrella. If we add the article an, it will become an apple, an elephant, an umbrella. We used an because the words next to it start with vowel letters. To understand more about the use of the articles a and an, we will have an activity. Are you ready, kids? What article should be used in this word? Very good. We should use a. It will become a banana. How about in this word? Very good. We should use an. It will become an owl. Next word. Very good. We should use an. It will become an eagle. Next word. Very good. We should use a. It will become a tiger. Next word. Yes, we should use a. It will become a television. Very good, kids. For our next activity, you are going to say yes if the articles a or an are correctly used. And you are going to say no if the articles a or an are not correctly used. Let's start. A man. Is it a yes or no? Very good. It is a yes. An apples. Very good. The answer is no because an means one. The correct answer should be an apple without s. Next, a dogs. The answer is no because a means one. The correct answer should be a dog without s. Next, a owl. The answer is no because the word owl starts with a vowel. So that means we should use an. The correct answer is an owl. And for our last activity, kids, I am going to flash sentences on the screen. What you are going to do is to choose whether the sentence should use a or an. John wanted to read a or an comic book. The answer is a comic book. Very good. Next sentence. The class went on a or an field trip. Very good. The answer is a field trip. He likes to read a or an short story. The answer is a short story. Lisa puts a or a on her yogurt. The answer is an. Very good. An orange. Last sentence. The dog caught a or an stick. The answer is a stick. Very good, kids. You are doing great. Remember, kids, that articles are used before nouns. A and an are both articles. They also mean one. An is used when the word next to it is a vowel, while a is used when the word next to it is a consonant. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something today. See you in our next video. I am Teacher Mikel. Handang isip, handa bukas.